Okay, right, so back door needs some attention. I've got to cut all this back pretty much, and there's a water, a lot of water in there. Right, I need to make some room here so I can actually get them work. So I'm going to strip all this back so I can get to the door, and then start to strip down the door. Because it needs it, and then I'm going to try and save it. I need to get a new one of those and kind of get to work really. So I think the first thing I've got to do is to strip all this back with my little machine and yeah, see what I can do really. Let's see if I can somehow do this with one hand. This might be a bit difficult to do. This is where I need a cam cap, by the way. Okay, right, so it's going to be a bit of an ongoing operation, this one, I think. Just make myself a bit of room so I can then basically just get to work, strip this down, and hopefully I'll bring you back when it looks a little bit better. I just hope I can save it. Gosh, it's a bigger job than I thought. Okay. See what we can do with it then.